Hi, quick update. I've just been to the vets and not the local one. I had to go do like a big surgery for Splotch ECR. I've basically been told that Splotch is a ticking clock. There's a 1 to 6 in heart murmurs, and he has a 6. He has the worst. They wanted to charge me £420 for a scan, but the vet was like, "Oh yeah, I'm just gonna give you this medication anyway, even if you don't take the scan." And it's like, we might not find like it. He says that more likely like it'll be the same outcome. So like he like was very like saying that like the scan would not really do anything. They would just be able to like know if there's anything going on, but like it like he was like reassuring us that like basically it wouldn't do much. And I was like, £420, and like I still can go back and get it, but I've been given the medication. He's getting medicated now, and which will slow down his heart. But basically Splotch can just die at any time. So I'm really like struggling right now. But yeah, he's like completely fine at the minute. He's not suffering from it. It's just his heart's beating very, 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 very fast. But yeah, he could just kill her. But like, I would have got on the scan if it was actually like, but apparently like it wouldn't have, it like according to him it was like likely just not to do anything. It was he was going to give us this medication anyway, which was going to slow down his heart. But yeah, he might live a long time, but it basically it sounds like Splotch is not going to live to an old age. He's gonna die as a young cat. Like after this medication, I'm gonna go back in 2 weeks. He's gonna get checked up and see what's going on. But yeah, I've just gotta basically spend my time with him. And yeah, so thank you for listening. But yeah.